Good morning, dear students. I hope so you all are fit and happy. So, dear students, in this next part of photosynthesis chapter, here we will study about the mechanism of photosynthesis. So, you know that the photosynthesis consists of two phases, that is light reaction or light phase, and the other one is dark phase. And here we will study these phases in detail one by one. So, starting with light phase or light dependent phase reaction, also known as photochemical phase or Hill reaction. So, this phase of photosynthesis, you need to know that it occurs only in presence of sunlight and in the thylakoid membranes of grana and stroma lamellae. So, you should always remember that this phase of photosynthesis, it takes place only in presence of sunlight in the thylakoid membranes of grana and stroma lamellae. So, now let us learn about the main steps involved in this reaction. So, step first, it is activation of chlorophyll. So, chlorophyll, it absorbs the light energy in the form of photons and it becomes energized, and this energized chlorophyll, it is used to break down water in the presence of light, that is photolysis of water. Means photo means light and lysis means breakdown. So here photolysis of water is going to take place in the presence of light and with the help of energized chlorophyll molecule. So you will notice that two molecules of water, it splits to 4 H positive ion plus 2 atoms of oxygen and 4 electrons. So the 2 atoms of oxygen, they are further released into the atmosphere as molecular oxygen. Then in third step, you will observe that there is formation of adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP, from ADP, that is adenosine diphosphate and inorganic phosphate. And the process of formation of ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate, it is referred to as phosphorylation. So ATP is formed during light reaction and this process is also referred to as photophosphorylation because the energy used during this process, it has come from sunlight. Then next is the formation of NADPH, that is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, from NADP and H positive ion, and therefore NADPH is formed. So ATP and NADPH, which is an electron carrier, these are further used in the dark phase or Calvin cycle of photosynthesis. So the credit for tracing the pathway of reduction of carbon dioxide into glucose, it goes to Calvin and Benson. So Calvin and Benson cycle or C3 cycle or dark phase we are going to observe now. So let us see how this cycle operates and what are the reactions which are involved in this cycle. So each Calvin cycle, it is completed in 3 phases, that is carboxylation, reduction and regeneration phase. So in the carboxylation phase, you will observe that RuBP, that is ribulose 1,5-bis phosphate, it undergoes carboxylation by addition of carbon dioxide and it forms 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceric acid, and this reaction, it is carboxylized by the enzyme RuBP carboxylase. Since the first stable compound is 3-carbon compound, therefore it is known as C3 cycle. So the first stable compound is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Then dear students, after that there will be the reduction phase, and in that phase you will be observing that 2 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH, they are used to form glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and two molecules of PGA, they are forming two molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. And finally, from glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, glucose is formed and there will be regeneration of RUBP, that is ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. And in this process also ATP is one molecule of ATP is used. This cycle, it is repeated 6 times to form one molecule of glucose. Therefore, in the total overall reaction, you will observe that 6 molecules of RUBP, it combines with 6 molecules of carbon dioxide with the utilization of 18 ATP and 12 NADPH. So they will be giving rise to one molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of RUBP. They are further regenerated as such, and 18 molecules of inorganic phosphate and 18 molecules of ADP plus 12 NADP plus 6 molecules of water, they are further produced. So this is about the C3 cycle or dark phase of photosynthesis. So this is all for today. Take care everyone.